Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Liberty mobile banking account. For that, first of all, launch Liberty Bank application on your device. Once the application is opened, to log into your account, you just have to enter your username and password. Let's go and type username at first. Then enter your password. Once you are done with both of them, select the button to verify you are human. If you do not remember your username or password, then you just have to tap on Forget Username or Password button and reset your password. Once you are done with all of this, you just have to hit on Login button at last to log into your account. And that was it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.